How to change units on Google Map. First thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps, and then it really depends on where you are. So here in Japan, they usually use the metric system. So if I just tap on this, and then from here, if I just tap on directions, as you can see here, the direction is shown in kilometers. So this is because Japan usually use kilometers. And if I move to USA here, so here if I just go ahead and select scroll here and then select this part of the city, and then let's say if I just want to move it from here, I'm gonna click on directions, select my destination, and as you can see here, the unit is now on miles. It really depends on your location. So if you want it to be only one unit and you don't want it to change, then what you can do is first head over to profile at the top right, then click on settings. Now scroll down until you find distance units. Click on it. As you can see, it's set to automatic, which means that the country where the unit is used, that unit will be shown on your Google Maps. So if you want it to be kilometers, you can do that. Or if you want it to be miles, you can do that as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.